We're then going to release that right arm slightly and then take the left arm over the right. So left arm comes over the right and find a hug. We're trying to get the fingers around the back of the body here. We're trying to get the elbows to cross over as much as you can. So spend some time just to crawl those fingers around the back, get those elbows to cross, then squeeze your upper arms together. And we're swinging the lower arms up. You might come to here. You might get the fingertips nearly together. You might get the fingertips to touch. You might get the right fingertips into the left palm. And then you might get those thumbs to twist towards the face. Any of those are good. So as you inhale, we're going to lift the elbows as high as you can. And as you exhale, we're going to blow those hands away from the face. So it's like we're trying to touch the top of the wall in front of you here with the fingertips. Move with the breath. So slowly lifting those elbows, slowly pushing those fingers away from the face towards the top of the wall in front of you without pain. So if it hurts, we're trying too hard. We don't want to feel pain in either shoulder. We want a muscular engagement. We want a feeling of a stretch. And if the hands aren't even touching, it really doesn't matter. Little by little, all these muscles learn where you want them to evolve to. Class after class, our body changes, little by little, without pain.